Good morning, student. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to see about tuple. Tuples are immutable data structure. That means tuples are immutable. Now, we will discuss about the immutable data. Now, see how to create tuple. That means creating tuple. If we are going to create tuple, then we should have to initialize a variable like t1, and we have to put the elements of tuple in the square round bracket or small bracket or parenthesis. This is the same name of this bracket. Now suppose that we are going to assign the elements in this tuple 1 2 3. Now this is the tuple of 3 elements and the elements are 1 2 3, and we are going to print t1. Now you can check the output for this. Suppose that we are going to run this out program and check the output. Now see, you can see that this is the tuple and elements of tuple is 1 2 3. That means our tuple is created. Now we are going to talk about what is immutable. Immutable, that means immutable, that means that is not modifiable. No modification. नॉन जो नॉन मॉडिफिएबल हो या देयर इज नो मॉडिफिकेशन इन दैट element in place. That is immutable, that is no modification in element in place. That means we cannot change the element of the tuple or any immutable data structure. Now if we are going to see the example for this, you can see that now see what is the immutable. Now we are going to paste this code. Now we have to comment this line of code. Now see, if we have seen this is the tuple of 3 elements and the elements are 1 2 3. Now if we are going to add here 5 in place of 2, now we are going to add 5 in place of 2, and we also know the index. If we are going to talk about the index of this element, index of this element, that will be इंडेक्स क्या होगा यहाँ पे 0 1 is at the 0 index, 1 is at the 0 index, 2 is at the first index, 3 is at second index. इंडेक्सिंग सेम है जैसे हमारे लिस्ट स्ट्रिंग में होता है. वी हैव सीन द इंडेक्सिंग कंसेप्ट. तो अब यहाँ पे हमको दैट मीन्स टपल t1 के 1th इंडेक्स पे, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे हमको कोई और एलिमेंट ऐड करना है इन प्लेस ऑफ 2. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू असाइन t1 इक्वल टू t1 एंड वी हैव टू पुट द इंडेक्स ऑफ हियर. इंडेक्स इज 1. 2 की जगह पे हमको 5 ऐड करना है एंड इंडेक्स इज 1। T1 का फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे हमको क्या रखना है, पुट कर दिए 5। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अगेन प्रिंट द elements of T1. Now this is the way. Now we are going to print the output. You can see that type error. That means you can see that type error. Tuples object does not support item assignment. This is the error. Why is it so? Because tuple are immutable. Tuple are immutable. यहाँ पे आप क्या देख रहे हैं, यू कैन सी दैट the output is your, what will be the output? It does not support, tuple object does not support item assignment. So you can see that this is the immutable data type. इसे हम बोलते हैं immutability. This is the immutability. Now that's why we are saying that tuples are immutable data type. Tuples हमारे क्या है, immutable data structure है. There is no, we cannot change the existing. Now again if we are going to add some items in tuple or we are going to delete the items from the tuple, then the new tuple is creating. The new tuple will be going to create, but we cannot add or delete the or change the element of tuple T1. That means if we are going to change this T1, new T1 will be created in the memory. So this is the concept of immutability. Apart from this, if we are going to talk about the mutable data type that can be changed, then list is our immutable data type. If we are going to work with list, then we can change the item. Suppose that if we are going to check the mutable concept, now we can check the mutable concept. If we are going to take the list, L1 is the list equal to, you can see that 1 2 3. इंडेक्सिंग इसका भी वही सेम रहेगा. यू कैन सी दैट इंडेक्स इसका भी वही, जैसे हमारा इंडेक्स टपल का था वैसे हमारी इंडेक्स इसकी होगी. नाउ इफ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द इंडेक्स ऑफ दिस लिस्ट, देन 0 1 2 सेम इंडेक्सिंग होगी हमारी, जैसे हमने टपल में किया वैसे लिस्ट में इंडेक्सिंग होगी. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू असाइन द एलिमेंट L1 का 1. फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे हमें क्या करना है, ऐड करना है L1 का 1 इक्वल टू 5. नाउ प्रिंट L1, प्रिंट L1 लिस्ट 1. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू run this program and check the output. Tuple object. Now first make the comment of above code. This is the not commented, that's why we are not going to check the output for this. Now we are going to check the output for list. Now we can see that now we are going to all the commented. Now we are going to check this mutable concept. Now if we are going to print the list here, print the list here, print L1. Now comment these 2 lines. Now we are going to comment this line. Now first of all we have designed the list. एक लिस्ट हमने क्रिएट किया है, 1 2 3 इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ लिस्ट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिंट द एलिमेंट ऑफ लिस्ट. वी कैन सी दैट हियर लिस्ट 1 2 3 प्रिंटेड. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 प्रिंट हो गया है. नाउ अब हम जा रहे हैं लिस्ट के एलिमेंट को चेंज करने. हमने क्या कहा कि 2 की जगह पे हमको क्या करना है, 2 की जगह पे हमको 5 चाहिए. यहाँ पे हमारी लिस्ट क्या है, यहाँ पे हमारी लिस्ट क्या हो रही है, यहाँ पे हमारी लिस्ट क्या है 1 2 3 प्रिंट हुआ है, सबने देखा है, वी हैव सीन दिस। यहाँ पे आउटपुट है। अब हमको क्या करना है, now we are going to change the item. Here we are going to change or modify the item element. Now we have changed L1 equal to 5, that means इस 2 की जगह पे 2 की जगह पे 5 होना चाहिए। Now check the output for this. We are going to comment this line because we are not going to print previous list. You can see that 1 5 3. Now 2 is replaced with 5. So you can see that here the output will be this. And now if we are going to print both the lines, we can say that 2 will be replaced. That means this is the new table. Here in this 2 is replaced with 5, replaced by 5. So this is new table, this is new table, but in tuple this is not allowed, hence tuple is immutable. Now I hope you have learned the concept of mutability and immutable data type. ये हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है म्यूटेबल और इम्यूटेबल डेटा टाइप्स का। अगर यहाँ पे हम टपल में कोई भी चेंज करेंगे, इसका मतलब ये है कि अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, नया टपल वहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ। ऐसा नहीं कि हम एक बार टपल बना दिए तो उसमें आइटम ऐड नहीं कर सकते या डिलीट नहीं कर सकते, बट इस टाइम हर बार टपल नया क्रिएट होगा, मेमोरी में नया टपल क्रिएट होगा। हम प्रीवियस टपल के साथ कोई भी मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकते। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू see the next concept of tuple. This is your creating tuple. Creating tuple, we have seen this concept. Now we are going to see creating empty tuple. Now we are going to see creating empty tuple. That means how to create an empty tuple. Now for empty tuple, just assign a variable and put the value of empty. That means only use close and open parentheses. Now if we are going to print this value, you can see that here there is no element in tuple. This is your empty tuple. This is called your empty tuple. This is your empty tuple. You can see that. Now our next thing is creating single element tuple. Creating single element tuple. Now if we are going to create single element tuple, then as according to list, जैसा अपने लिस्ट में देखा है, suppose that we are going to take T3 equal to, we are going to just define the element 10. That is, now your tuple is created with single element, but this is not going to create a tuple. Now in this way we cannot create the tuple. You can see that. Now we are going to check the output. Only 10 will be printed. अगर tuple होता हमारा 10 तो So output should be like this. If we are going to print the single element tuple, the elements of tuple will be printed like this, but this is only printed as an integer value. So this is the important concept to learn here. How to create empty tuple, then put comma here. Now to create single element tuple, we have to put comma after the element. Now you can see that the output. Now your output will be created with single element. So this is the tuple of single element. Now single element tuple created. This is single element tuple. Now I hope you have learned the concept how to create single element tuple. Now we are going to see about the next is nested tuple. Next topic is a nested tuple. In nested tuple, we can create tuple within tuple. Nested tuple, that means tuple within tuple. Now if we are going to create tuple 4 equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the tuple 1, 2 and 3. Now again we are going to create a tuple A, B, C. Then this is the tuple within tuple. Here one tuple is 1, 2, 3. Second tuple is ABC. This is called your nested tuple. Now if we are going to print T4, tuple 4, that means T4. You can check the output. Name is not defined. Now listen, if we are going to assign the string value, then we have to put the value in single or double quote. Now put the quote here. Now check the output. You can see that one tuple is 1, 2, 3 and second tuple is ABC, and both is in the same tuple. दो tuple हैं, दोनों एक one within one है. This is the concept of your nested tuple. So by using this way, you can create nested tuple. Now our next topic is creating tuple from existing sequence. Suppose that if we are going to create a string string 1 equal to tuple. Now if we are going to print the st1, then you can see that this is the string object. Tuple printed, this is the string object. Now we are going to change this sequence into tuple. Now we are going to change this sequence into tuple. So to change this sequence in tuple, first of all we have to define a variable, suppose that t5 equal to, then we have to convert this in tuple and put the variable name. Here variable name is st1. Now copy and paste this name here, st1. Now you can see that the output. Put the sequence here, Control C, Control. Now let's change this. Now check the output. Now see. Now we have to print the value of t5 because st1 is the string type of object and t5 is the tuple object. So if you want to print the tuple value, we have to print the T5. Now check the output. You can see that tuple converted is from the string to tuple form. Now this is the output. Then your output will be tuple. This is the way to convert this sequence into tuple. Now I hope you have learned the more things from tuple, and in the next class we will see the operation and operators and methods of tuple. So thank you for watching.